Did someone sell you guys all this fucking silver?
What?
Did somebody sell you guys all this silver?
We burnt all of the silver.
From where? You guys got fucking 2012 gold coins.
Whatever, man. Whoever's got silver, we bad, man. Whoever got it.
Where you guys get fucking decade-old silver from?
You get all of that stuff off of the flask?
I've been trained to follow orders very precisely.
That's some funny shit. That's good shit though, man.
Yeah. Turn on the gas.
I learned that if you dip stuff
In water.
in water, it lasts longer and it seal better. It's like putting a flux, you know, we put flux on the, when we soldering, same way. I've been using this one thing for like 2 months now.
You should probably get some new ones.
Some new ones? No, I get an extra one. I get one. I got enough.
Okay.
But it's working. Think carrot always look like this.
This shit is pretty fucking small, though.
Man, this is what happened when the designers don't know what they're doing.
They don't be jewelers. We gotta stop normalizing people that deal in jewelry to call themselves jewelers, bro.
You see how small, even the prongs, everything on there.
That shit ass.
Well, I'm about to put the prongs in there, right?
You gotta drill deeper.
Well, exactly, I'm gonna drill deeper.
More time. When they want this shit quick, it's like I'm gonna start banning niggas from calling themselves jewelry when they're really dealing just because they dealing jewelry. This shit don't make no sense.
Like everything. I need to hurry up with them stones, man, because I can't continue without.
Yeah. Huh? I'm in the shop. What's up? What you want, man? Come on.
Gotcha. That ain't even polished yet, man. Now you gonna get a picture, cause man, this is gonna bring more business. Here, man, come get a photo. But I ain't got the stones in it yet. These stones is too big. Man.